Hi, my name is David Dumke, and I work at in the software engineering department at Nautel Limited. And today I'd like to show you one of the new features in the upcoming software for our transmitters, the the NX and the NV and the VS. This feature that I'm going to talk about today is called the scheduler. And we do actually have a scheduler in the NX, but we're going to be adding the scheduler to the NV and the VS as well. As you can see here, we have a calendar in the center. This is just a simple calendar like you might see in Microsoft Outlook. It will help you understand when certain events will occur in your transmitter. And what I have here on the right-hand side is a list of rules. And below that we have daily events. So if I click on a day, it will show me what events will happen on that day. And an event is just a preset change. So for instance, at 8 o'clock here it says 100 kilowatts. So we have a preset defined as 100 kilowatts, and it means that at 8 o'clock and all these other times, the transmitter will switch to that preset. And so the way that we create these events is we use something called rules. And we have a rule explorer here that will help us define when they occur. And essentially the way that it works is that we start on a certain date, let's say September 1st to September 30th. So anytime during that time, events might occur based on other information. It tells us on what day it can occur, so we can limit ourselves to the weekend or throughout the week. We start at 8 o'clock in the morning. We can go until 1600 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and it repeats every 2 hours. So starting at 8 o'clock, every 2 hours, it will trigger the preset that we select here, in this case, 100 kilowatts. And then we have a little diagram here to try and illustrate what that might look like on any given day. So when I save this, we can see that it now shows up in the scheduler, and we can see that when I highlight it, it highlights in the scheduler, and it goes all month from the 1st until the 30th, and it has a little number 5 here telling me how many times it's going to happen in that day. So when I click on it, like I showed you before, we can see that the 100 kilowatt preset happens every 2 hours for a total of 5 times. And so I hope everybody will enjoy this feature. And once again, my name is David Dumke, and I work at Nautel Limited in the Software Engineering Department.